The signature campaign held on Saturday 29th January at the parking lot MOTPHRAN Shillong was held to apprise the state government of the outdated reservation policy of the state. Led by young student activist BARILANG, the campaign saw a lot of people from all walks of life taking part and voicing their concerns for the young people all across the state who have been deprived of their rights to employment. BARILANG, while speaking to reporters, said that the government needs to review, revamp and restructure the reservation policy and include a targeted area whereby the backward sections of the society would be given due attention as far as recruitment to government jobs is concerned.
Kan nomor ki engineers bon ndo mane ki shutre bella ki wana swigi bapli ki la do bella swigi ble shibon bapia support ni la do kat ya kan ka opportunity man kamai ndai imagine utu khna nong kendong ba deserve ya ka reservation make pa kim la pha school ndai udan ka ability ban penkio ya kari how to a reservation kam belong ma yaki ndai kane ka reservation policy is so communal. What is the meaning of Garo Khasi Jantiano? Percentage is one big factor because population ever increasing ka change san phosne man chwa ka ya kam kane ka reservation policy ngas tho it's time to evolve kimla phi ban chwa mit khasi jan Garo. What about those Garo in the Garo hills, those who are from the rural area? Are you getting the job? Ngami kata to be very honest ki Garo ru ang 40%, but what 40%? Do you have a target area? Let's forget about Khasi Jaintia. Let's talk, because the Garo thinks that I'm against you. Let's talk about Garo. You just say 40% Garo. You don't have a specific target. So now, if we talk about quota, you just say 40% Garo. Anyone can get. What about those poor Garo who cannot afford to pay for the education? And what about these a bit very developed kandiat balak ham kyu ki Garo kitu kilala em ban support hi kum nga ngalala ban support hi ngam tu eka reservation handrai because it's not equally distributed nga kum tu no reservation jong tu nong kandong pamla si sha ban support yala di. How is that fair? Let's look at it from an, because reservation means ban bo reservation na banta ki socially, politically and financially backward can. So manu kita ngidi ban aim in that way, not in a community wise. That doesn't work anymore. Even if you're from Garo, if you are from a rural population but you're not getting the job, why? Because there's no specific targets. They should go kani ka example banga ICI ya kibriyo matakapol bakin smooth ho ba kumne shubo to mentala de crunch pangaro kren no sech pang Khasi Jaintia kan Khasi Jaintia jongi dan 40% fine. They shubo ngadi kena agriculture te ngakwa ban rep ke ba shubo te ngala apply lang ya ka scheme because ngadi kena agriculture ngadi hok ban yo ngasa umpling ngasa lem krang le yu ya katuka scheme ngan rep she lem krang la wes ka ya ka pisah sarkar la wes ya ka productivity rei shubo kane ka new date badan katakan new reservation policy kan bu dah ka target kan okay gi khna na boy khna na west ngin ai no daka specific target ngin ai khambon no ya ki khnang ba katuka scheme shubo dayo khna pan na west na boy kila em ban le shisha production will be there, rice production, productivity kyo ka state PA. So many factors. Percentages of course one of the big factor, but secondly there should be a competition. Thirdly, and this is a very old policy and you can't just imagine and expect a very immediate effect, but gradually there should be a gradual change. Ski diban change no kani we're not fighting against community. This current policy kalong communal, not me, this current policy kalong communal, we have to change that. We should look at what is the meaning of reservation, who deserves a reservation, which people, rural area, who is the target. Kipiro kipaduk what kipiro man tashibon ha kipapas ya ka entrance need ki engineering kimyo namar kimitho brio kimitho kimdan phone number DC kimdan connection kimdan pisa how to kata kalong se brio ba deserve hisha umyo. So that is what I'm standing for nga iet ya kari nga iet ya ki youth. That is the only reason